Milo said. So this is the cashew. When it's processed, this is the cashew nut that you always eat, that you buy it in the store. But right now it's not ready because you have to husk it. We're going to cook the cashew nut. We're removing the cashew first. That's the cashew fruit. We're removing it and then we're gonna cook it. So we're gonna use charcoal. And look at this. Improvise. Okay. So when there's fire inside, it's ready to remove it. Right. Oy, malapit na po. Getting closer. We're making something in the kitchen that you don't know. Yes! Yes! Ay, hindi pwede. O sige, ibaba mo. Ibaba mo. Dito, ibaba mo dito. Dito sa baba, dito sa baba. Woo! Mainit, mainit. Okay. Sige. You're doing it good, Lenny. Wow! Look at that! We're making cashew nut. Oh wow, this is so cool, guys. Filipino style in provincial style. Pwede na ba? Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Ay, naksut! Wow, so this is how it looks like. There you go. We're gonna put it in here when it's done. It's going to extract the cashew nut. Luto?
Yeah.
See, this is how it look like.
Hindi.
Let's Roger try it. Alright, this is the cashew nut. We cook it and this is how it look like now. So we're gonna let Roger try it. You can. That's a provincial style.
Only in the Philippines.
Only in the Philippines. Alright, so what's your decision?
Well,
Alright, so we continue extracting the cashew nut. Sa hammer. Huwag masyado. There you go. Ha! This is like we do in the Philippines when we were younger. We gather a lot of nuts, like you saw, and then we cook it while we are in the mountain. Alright guys, so this is our adventure for today. We cook cashew nut, and Lenny is patiently taking them out from the shell, and this is what happened. They're gonna take forever. He's gonna be here all day. Okay, bye for now. Say bye now.
Bye.